This is the VanTop H612 mirror dash cam. It fits over your existing rear view mirror with no modifications. You just have to run the wires through the headliner and trim of your car and out the back to the rear view camera. There is speech recognition. For example, show front camera.
Okay.
Show rear camera.
Okay.
Show both cameras.
Okay.
You do have to do a small splicing job connecting the trigger wire to your backup light in your car, so that when you put your car into reverse, like so, it automatically puts the camera into the backup mode so that you can park easier. It's fairly simple installation.